In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your Instagram story highlights and convert them into Instagram Reels. Hi, my name is Tracy and welcome back to my channel where I break down digital marketing for the small business owner and entrepreneur. My mission is to simplify the steps to growing your business online, allowing you to create more time to lead a balanced business life. If this is the type of content you want to watch, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Now here I'm showing you how once I learned about this new feature on Instagram, I just went and did a quick convert my story highlights to Reels, and it looked like this. However, I think this is an amazing opportunity to repurpose your content. And if you actually have a little bit of strategy and plan beforehand, you could actually be creating stories knowing full well that they are going to be part of a story highlight that you're going to convert into Reels. So when you're thinking about the stories you do, continue on how you've been doing them, but also start to add stories that you know will work well together and that can be converted into a particular style of reel. And that's one way of doing it, where you literally would just create a highlight that you know would be going to be converted into reel. And then when you wanted to convert it, you could add or edit or remove some of the actual clips that are in the story highlights. As I mentioned, you can just tap on the convert to Reels and your story highlights would be converted. But I'm going to just show you step by step here how you can do it where you're changing the music and adding or editing your clips and the captions. So here we go. First, we're going to go to our Instagram app and then we're going to choose one of our highlights. Now go to the bottom to the three dots and where it says more, and we're going to click on convert to Reel. Now we're going to pick our song. We can use the suggested audio, we can search for audio, or we can go in our saved audio and find whatever audio we want to use within this reel. Choose your audio, or like I said, you can keep it what Instagram has suggested. And now we're going to click the arrow and we can choose to adjust the clip's length, or we could decide to reorder the clips. We could also add some more video to this existing reel by just clicking on our camera and tapping the record button. And as you can see now, this is the way the reel will look. This isn't the best looking reel, but you get the point. And then we can put special effects on it. We can add stickers to it. We can add captions or text, exactly the same as how we do any type of reel. And we can draw on it, whatever you'd like. When you're finished, all we're going to do is write our caption, and then we can either crop the profile image that Instagram has suggested, or we can adjust it from the actual video, or we can pick one from our camera roll. And then we can either tag people, add our location, and we can either save this to edit it later, or we can write our caption now, add your hashtags, and then share it as a reel. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. And if you need more information, check out my Setup to Scale program. The link is in the video description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get notified when I upload a new video.